Let's bake some rye sourdough bagels. I'm so happy with how these turned out. For my measurements, I did 100 grams of starter, 250 grams of water, 400 grams of bread flour, and 50 grams of rye flour. I did 10 grams of salt, and I also did 15 milliliters of maple syrup. Then I give my ingredients a mix. Once the dough was shaggy, I gave it a good knead for 7 to 8 minutes. Press it down, covered it up, and let it ferment for 8 hours. Once it's fermented, I start my shaping. I laid the dough out on a flat surface and then I divided it into 6 equal parts. Once it's divided, I start rolling it into balls and doing the bagel shape. So you just stick your finger in the middle and then do a hole. And you want to do a larger hole than usual because once it ferments, the hole will get smaller. I let this ferment for 3 more hours, and then after 3 hours, I pop them in the fridge for overnight. I boil a pot of water in the morning, and then I add my bagels to the pot. And you want to make sure that your bagels float. This means air is inside of them. You also need to add honey or maple syrup to the water. I give them a good flip. They're in the water for about 2 minutes, and then I use everything but the bagel seasoning and poppy seeds for my toppings. I took the bagels out, each one, popped them into the seeds, and then put it on a baking tray. And I popped these in the oven on 450 for 10 minutes. And then here you have golden brown, delicious bagels. I'm so proud of myself. The fact that I wasn't eating bread for like over a year and I decided to start making my own sourdough to be exact. Yeah, very proud of myself. But yeah, try this recipe and let me know what you think. Stay healthy, guys. Take care.